Hey, this is Paul with Roto-Rooter. I am at 4703 Merlin Street in Longview doing a sewer scope after we replace the line, and I'm going through this clean out right here, and that will be cut off when we backfill. So here we go, and this was replaced with a 4-inch ABS line. There we go. Had to get it around the corner. So we put a clean out right by the front door. This is all ABS. It goes under the sidewalk and turns towards water meter. And at this point, this is where it connects to the city. It turns and drops down. We're at 40 feet out. So I'm going to start backing the camera out. There's the house. There's the street. Okay, just to recap real quick, this is Paul with Roto-Rooter Longview. I am at 4703 Merlin Street. We replaced the main line out to where it connects with the city, and it's all 4-inch ABS. We put a clean out by the front door, and we still have to backfill some, clean up the yard, and cut the clean out down, and everything looks good. So I'm sure you've heard that there's 2 guarantees in life: death and taxes. Well, there's actually 3 now: death, taxes, and at some point your brother's going to plug up. So you better put me on speed dial. God bless, be safe, and remember what the jingle says.